Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn how to write a letter when we have to place an order. So it is in the syllabus of class 10th, and otherwise also it is helpful whenever you have to place an order, you have to write a letter, you can use this template or the sample. Okay, I'm not saying which we are going to see, you have to learn it and you have to just copy it. I'm going to show you how you can understand the things so that any topic while writing a letter, while a letter regarding placing an order will come, so you will be having a general understanding that how we can write a letter when we have to place an order in that. Okay, so let me read the question first for you. Your school requires books for classes 9th and 10th for the coming session. You are Shankar Mohan Shalini Mohan, librarian of Modern School 97, Najafgarh, New Delhi. Write a letter to the store manager, Monsieur Full Marks Private Limited, 4238A/1 Ansari Road, Daryaganj, New Delhi, placing order for the specific books required by you. Okay, so this is the question, and now I would suggest you to read the question carefully because it will be used by you time and again while writing this letter. Okay, so in the question itself, many information is given. So, what kind of things are given, we are going to see. So, first of all, it is written Modern School 97, Najafgarh, New Delhi. Why this is written? Because first of all, according to the format of letter for placing an order, we used to write or we write sender's address. Okay, and this is the address of sender which you will be finding in question itself. Why? Because it is written who you are or why are you writing this letter, so everything is given here. So you have to assume yourself as Shankar Mohan or Shalini Mohan, and you are librarian of Modern School. So here our address gets started. So your school's name you will write here as sender address, then 97 Najafgarh, New Delhi. Okay, so that would be playing as your sender's address. Okay, so you have written your address, then you will be I would say leave a line, leave a blank here. Nothing will be written here, one line should be left by you. Then you will be writing the date of that day when you are writing this letter. Suppose you are in examination hall, so date of that day you will be writing. Okay, and again you have to leave a line, you have to leave some space. Then you will be writing receiver's address, the one who is receiving your letter. Okay, so receiver's address also will be there in your question only. And here we come to know that you are writing a letter to the store manager, Mr. Full Marks Private Limited, and this address is till this New Delhi. Okay, so first of all, to whom we are addressing? We are addressing the store manager. So the store manager, then Monsieur Full Marks Private Limited, then 4238A/1 Ansari Road, Daryaganj, New Delhi. Okay, so this will be serving as your receiver's address. Okay, so that is sender's address and receiver's address. So now after that we will be writing subject. Okay, and obviously it is very simple what to write in subject. Placing order for books. Why? Because we are having question and when we require some books, so we are placing order for books. Suppose somebody is asking for the equipments of gym, so that person will be writing about that. other are requiring medicines or the samples of medicine, so they will be writing according to that. So here we are writing placing order for books. It's so simple, and in limited 3-4 words, 4-5 words maximum, you should write your subject, not more than that. Now after that we will be wishing that person sir. Then see what will happen. Any letter, if you are writing a letter to an editor, if you are placing an order, if you are complaining for something, any letter is given, what happens? So many a times, or most of the times I would say, the letter or the body will be divided into 3 parts. Okay, so first is this paragraph, as you can see, and this is the introductory paragraph. Okay, so introductory paragraph will be very brief, and in short we will be writing what we require, what we want. Okay, our school requires books for classes 9th and 10th for the coming session. So first of all you have to give the introduction, who you are, and that is given in our question itself, that your school requires book for classes 9th and 10th. So we have got that we want books for classes 9th and 10th. Then we came to know that we are writing this letter as a librarian. Okay, so here we get the language, and we will be writing our school requires books for classes 9th and 10th for the coming session. We wish to place, and after that you will be coming to the point and you will be telling why you are writing the letter. We wish to place an order with your store as you are the largest wholesale supplier and offer the most competitive prices. Here 2 things I would like to mention that you can learn, and if you learn it will be good for you, because in exam you will not be giving so much time to this kind of question, and you will be quite sure that this kind of letter will come and I am going to write this language. Sorry. So here 2 words I would I would suggest you that you should understand, you should even learn, not understand only, that we wish to place an order with your store as you are. You will be writing this. It is so simple, but you have to learn this, that you are the largest wholesale supplier. And see, whenever we will be having these kind of letters, when we are placing an order, so something or the order will be in bulk. We should understand that we require something for our school, for our organization, for our institution. So the item or the products will be in bulk. So we will be asking for item to be delivered by wholesaler. Okay, we will be trying to do the things as these will be in cheaper cost. Okay, so we will be mentioning here for that person that as you are the largest wholesale supplier, so you should learn this line, largest wholesale supplier, and offer the most, and second thing you should learn, competitive prices. Okay, so what are the rates or the costs are there in market, accordingly it will be, or in comparison to that it will be lesser. Okay, why? Because wholesale markets are for these kind of things, where we get things at cheaper cost. Okay, so these 2 terms you can learn, and it will be good for you when you will be writing, when you will be landing up for this question. You will be saving your time. Now comes the very important part of letter writing, or letter for placing an order. And the second paragraph I would say is the most important one, and you here you can see that CBSE or any examining authority wants to know about your common sense, about your understanding about the things, and here is the time when we have to show our understanding. See, we are writing a letter for placing order for books. So everything which we are giving detailing about, so that will be in tabular form. Okay, first of all I would say that it is a must kind of thing that every information will be given by you in tabular form for second paragraph. Okay, and everything will come here in this table. So first column you can see that it is serial number 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then books, name of books will be there, and you will be you are smart enough which kind of books you are reading, you are having in your syllabus. You can mention the name of all those books here. 5 6 books I would say will be enough. Then as it is mentioned in the question that it is for the ninth and 10th class, so some books you will be writing for 9th class, some books will be for 10th class. Then you will be writing the publisher. For second column you will be writing publisher. And in our study time, or when we were having our school days, we all have learned, we all have studied the books of various publishers. Okay, so we know the names of, at least you can remember one or two publishers, so you can mention those names here. And it is a very important thing that what quantity do you want for particular book. So you have to mention, as a librarian you are writing this letter, so how many books you will be wanting for particular category. Okay, so here it is written that assignment in English plus requirement is 450 books, diary of a young girl 550 books, Manjeet Singh mathematics 550 books, and so on. So these are the 5 columns which you also have to mention as per the question. And first will be of serial number, then you have to understand what is the requirement of the question. Here in this question we had to order some books, so these kind of categories would be there when this kind of question comes. And now comes the third part, the concluding paragraph. And here let me write this for you. It is concluding paragraph. Here we will conclude, we will give the specifications, what do we want and how the things will be done by this wholesaler, and what kind of prominent things we would like to mention here. So let's read. All the books should be hardbound and in perfect condition. Hardbound means packaging should be good and it should be in perfect condition. We expect at least 20% discount. In case of any damage in transit, the goods will be returned at your cost. Payment would be made by check no sooner the goods are received in good condition. We expect prompt delivery within a week. Okay, so this paragraph I would advise you to learn it. Okay, if you can learn, nothing can be better than that. Okay, why? Because I would say 90% of the language or lines of this paragraph will be same, no matter what is your question. Okay, so hardbound and perfect condition, and we expect at least 20% discount. So in any question you can write this line, we expect at least 20% discount. So any letter is there when you are placing an order, you can use this line. Then in case of any damage in transit, the goods will be returned at your cost. Okay, so this line can also be learnt by you. Payment would be made by check no sooner the goods are received in good condition. And as soon as you will be getting the goods or the order, the order is received by you. If it is in good condition, then check would be given to the store. We expect prompt delivery within a week, and anything you are writing for, you can mention this line, we expect prompt delivery within a week. Okay, so these are the three paragraphs. First of all, you will be writing introductory paragraph, and that will be brief, not more than 3 lines, 2.5, 2 lines, 3 lines will be enough. Then don't forget to make a table, and detailed information of goods or items will be there in this form of table. Then you have to write a concluding paragraph. So that's it for this letter for placing an order. And lastly, you will write, thanking you, yours faithfully, Shankar Mohan, librarian. Okay, so if you are a boy, you will write Shankar Mohan. If you are a girl, you will write Shalini Mohan. Okay, then your designation as a librarian, you are writing this letter, so that will be also be mentioned by you. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you have liked it. So do share, subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.